Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the Aussie dollar paired with the US dollar. So I want to go out to the weekly and see what we've got here. If we look left, it's going to mark up this level up here. So we've got resistance above, support below. We could mark that up. And I'll just call it a weekly level, weekly. So above and below on the weekly, two key levels here. And then we'll go down to the daily, have a look at that. It's really overextended on the daily. I'd like to see a pullback, retrace up, potentially up to the base of this, to this low here, something like that. So we could just mark up this daily. See if we get a pullback back up in here, level daily. That could get me interested. The only thing with this, I mean, the momentum is quite strong to the downside. We may or may not get a decent pullback. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, we could mark up this distribution level here, 4H. And I'm looking for that and to see if we've got any price gaps above it. A price gap would be a target for me for a pullback. We've got a little bit of a gap here on the 1H. Let's just have a look at that on the 30. I'll just mark that up. It's not really significant at all. But I'm just looking for an opportunity to short this. We'll just call that a price gap. Go down to the 30 and just see what it looks like on the 30-minute time frame. So it's the same thing. So we've just got this slight gap here. It's really not significant at all. And we'll go down 15 minutes to see what it looks like. You know, I mean, I don't want to be chasing price, and I'm looking for the opportunity. So we've got a 15-minute gap here. So what I'm doing is just looking at these candles and marking up the candle low to the left, the candle high to the right. So we could call that a 15-minute gap and look for an opportunity, if it pulls back, to get in at a discount. So we've got a 15-minute gap there, nothing much here above. Yep, you know, I mean, that could be a thing. Let's just quickly go back out to the 1 hour. I'm just going to grab this level as well. I think I'd be interested in an opportunity if we get 1 hour sell. If we get a pullback, let's grab our fib. Something like that could get me in. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, a pullback, this gap here coincides with the 61.8 fib, something like that. And we've got this gap here coincides with the 38.2. All right, so if I see a pullback up into these levels, preferably up around here, I think that would be my play. Go for a short, something like that. A day trade, 1 hour time frame, short. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join my free Discord group. You're welcome to join. It's a great community in there and a lot of value. Check out my YouTube videos as well on how to grow your account, whether you're trading a personal account or a prop firm account. I think you'll find some excellent value with my videos. So with the Aussie dollar, something like that would be okay. I always have a look at this on the 4 hour. Like if I'm setting up a trade like this, you know, we've got this high here, we've got this daily level here, and we've got this 4 hour back here. I would probably be inclined to go for a wider stop and see what we can get out of this. And I think I would prefer, if this was to pull back, you could layer in short positions from this level. So then I would call that my sell zone, something like that. So we'll just mark that up as a sell zone. And I'd be looking to layer in some short limit orders. Okay, guys, I think that would be my call with the Aussie dollar currency pair at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.